Yes, Your
So the House and the Senate did not pass. The House, representative of the people, the Senate, elected at large, passed a law which did not include portions of the Rome Statute but copied the core provisions, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes. So when the President removed the treaty or withdrew from the treaty, did it violate a law? With the President withdrawing from the treaty, did the President violate this statute?
Your Honor.
No. So, he did not.
He did not, Your Honor.
Yes. So, that's it. Thank you.
Itinuturing niyo po bang pugante si De La Rosa? Tumulong po ba kayo sa pugante?
Hindi po yan ang posisyon ng mayorya.
The court will act only as a court of last resort. It acts only in exceptional cases where a court has failed to bring justice. International Criminal Court, as I said, is a court of last resort. Pag hindi mo mabigyan ng katarungan ang akusado, ayaw mo o kaya hindi mo kaya, ay saka pa lang yan pupunta sa ICC. Kaya maling-mali yung mga pinagtatanong sa akin sa Senado. Kasi hindi sila marunong magbasa.
Ito, sino ang nag-utos sa NBI arrest ba to last Monday? It's not interrogatory, it's just a clarificatory question for my understanding as a journalist. Who ordered the NBI last Monday go to the Senate and arrest Senator Bato?
Cannot say, Ms. Karen, no, the specific directive to enforce the warrant, we don't know, at least not yet.
How could you not know the NBI is under the DOJ? So did the DOJ order the NBI serve the warrant? If you did, there would be nothing wrong with that. I just want to know the timeline and the chain of command.
I can't say for certain what the chain of command was, Ms. Karen. You'll have to forgive me for that matter. Okay, but we do know that there was
But
coordination.
you are the spokesperson of the Justice Department. Forgive me, sir. I don't mean to be rude. How could you not know a simple chain of command on who ordered the NBI to serve the warrant? You are speaking to a journalist now on live TV about the ICC arrest warrant. So, who ordered? Pinakikilos na ng Justice Department ang mga law enforcement agency para tugisin si Senador Ronaldo Bato de la Rosa na isa sa co-conspirator sa kasong Crimes Against Humanity ni FPRRD. Ayon sa DOJ, pwede nang damputin ang senador sa bisa ng arrest warrant ng ICC.
Grabe ang gobyerno ngayon, isinuko na ang ating soberanya sa ICC. Binaypas na nila ang ating mga korte.
Na nagsasabi na kapag na-arresto si Senator Bato, dito muna siya ikulong at huwag mo nang ilipad sa ICC hanggat may pending pa na mga motion, petition sa Supreme Court. Possible ba yun, sir?
Well, that is their position. That's one problem also now with social media, no? Ang daming ng abogado, ang dami ng expert, ang dami ng magaling sa law enforcement, no? So, leave it start, no? Pag na-arresto namin, we'll turn over to the DOJ. The DOJ will proceed kung ano yung
The Senate agreed that only these parts of the Rome Statute would be part of domestic legislation, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
There is no commitment under the domestic legislation to bind future generations as to another layer of a court. Is that not correct?
Well, we disagree, Your Honor. Because with respect, Your Honor, to implementing
Where in the law
obligations-
does it say that the President should bind ourselves to a additional layer?
Your Honor, may I refer, Your Honor, for instance, to the H2 interpretation provided for in Section
Okay, read it. Does it say International Criminal Court? Does it accept another court?
Your Honor, Section 15 says that applicability of international law in the application of an interpretation of this act. Philippine courts.
Interpretation of the act, which means the text must already be there. Where is the text which actually says that it recognizes or allows the President to add another court?
Because, Your Honor, the RA 9851 is almost an exact copy of the Rome Statute, and the Rome Statute, Your Honor, is a
You're not answering my question, you're eliding my question. My question is, where in that statute, so that we finish immediately, so
Very
that
well,
we
Your
can
Honor.
go home,
Eh,
okay?
It's not there expressly, Your Honor.
Not expressly.
Yes, Your
So the House and the Senate did not pass. The House, representative of the people, the Senate, elected at large, passed a law which did not include portions of the Rome Statute but copied the core provisions, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes. So when the President removed the treaty or withdrew from the treaty, did it violate a law?
It did, Your Honor.
Which law?
Many laws, Your Honor, we are parties to so many treaties, Your Honor. For instance, the 4 Geneva Conventions.
Which one? Which
The
convention?
4 Geneva Conventions, Your Honor.
The
we
Geneva
have-
Conventions.
Yes, and
Have we withdrawn from the Geneva Conventions?
we are not, Your Honor, but all of these
Have we
conventions.
withdrawn from Protocol 1 of the Geneva
Your Honor.
Convention of 1949? Have we withdrawn from Protocol 2 of the Geneva Convention?
No, Your Honor, but our
Have we
answer is
withdrawn from the Hague Convention of 1907?
no, Your Honor.
So, what are you saying? We have also withdrawn from the Geneva Convention? Are the provisions of the Geneva Conventions already in Republic Act 9851?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did we withdraw 9851?
Well, that is not
So
our
be
answer,
careful,
Your Honor.
counsel. Don't do what a law student does. You answer the question.
We did
Okay.
not, Your Honor.
The question is, here we have a law passed by the House and the Senate. The House and the Senate, through a law, decided that only these portions of the Rome Statute will bind the Philippines. Correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Only by treaty did we add certain
Yes, Your
other
Honor.
things.
That's correct, Your Honor.
With the President withdrawing from the treaty, did the President violate this statute? Did the President withdraw from 9851?
May I qualify my answer, Your Honor?
Did the President
No, Your Honor.
No. So, he did not.
It did not, Your Honor.
Yes. So, that's it. Thank you.